फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट डेली सेंटेन्सेस. क्लासेस केव्हा घेतले जातात? When are the classes held? When are the classes held? तुझ्या गुडघ्याला कसे लागले? How did you hurt your knee? How did you hurt your knee? मी माझ्या शिक्षकांकडे तक्रार केली. I complained to my teacher. I complained to my teacher. तो स्ट्रॉंग नाही आहे. He is not strong. He is not strong. तो खूप मूर्ख आहे. He is very foolish. He is very foolish. मी माझ्या आईला मदत करत आहे. I'm helping my mother. I'm helping my mother. तू का अपसेट आहेस? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मी दरवाजा वाजविला. I knocked the door. I knocked the door. मी माझ्या कुटुंबासाठी जेवण बनविले. I prepared dinner for my family. I prepared dinner for my family. मी माझ्या कुटुंबासोबत वेळ घालवित आहे. I'm spending time with my family. I'm spending time with my family. मी माझ्या आईला सगळं सांगतो. I tell my mother everything. I tell my mother everything. आत्ताच बस गेली. The bus has just left. The bus has just left. मी तुझ्यावर रागावणार नाही. I will not get angry with you. I will not get angry with you. त्यांनी फळे खायची ठरविली. They decided to eat some fruits. They decided to eat some fruits. ती स्वयंपाकापूर्वी हात धुते. She washes her hands before cooking. She washes her hands before cooking. आम्ही शांत बसलो. We kept quiet. We kept quiet. मला खूप वाईट वाटले. I felt very bad. I felt very bad. मला किती वेळ वाट पाहावी लागणार आहे? How long do I have to wait? How long do I have to wait? माझी उद्या परीक्षा आहे. I have an exam tomorrow. I have an exam tomorrow. ती भरपूर पालेभाज्या खाते का? Does she eat a lot of vegetables? Does she eat a lot of vegetables? तू कुठे राहिला? Where did you stay? Where did you stay? तू आमच्यासाठी इडली बनवली आहे का? Have you made idli for us? Have you made idli for us? बाळ का रडत आहे? Why is baby crying? Why is baby crying? मी माझ्या मित्राच्या घरी 5 वाजता गेलो. I went to my friend's house at 5 o'clock. I went to my friend's house at 5 o'clock. त्याचा रोजचा खर्च जास्त आहे. His daily expense is very high. His daily expense is very high. Like, share and subscribe, friends.